Hey, my name is Adam, and if you are watching this video right now, you might be checking out, the internet income system. The internet income system has been around since last year, to be honest with you. It's nothing new, really. It's just they changed the outfit. That's all, okay? So I have been checking these guys out since last year, and I know the ins and the outs. So you may want to stick around for the next 10 minutes here, because I'm going to give you a different review than what everyone else is doing. Second, I'm gonna tell you why I dumped them last year, and also, I got the invitation this year to promote them, and I said no. And then at any time during this video, if you want to check out, if you want to know exactly the easiest and the fastest way to get to $10,000 a month if you are new, I've been online for many years and I've done over 6 figures. So if anytime you want to check out exactly my favorite ways, there would be a link underneath this video. Okay. So with that being said, let me go straight to the YouTube itself. When you type in internet income system, what are you gonna get? Honestly, are you gonna get members? Example, I'm just randomly looking at internet income system on YouTube right now. This one was 6 months ago. You can tell, 6 months old video that proves to you what I just said. This guy was trying to sign you up for this internet income system version. At that time, it was like that. This is how it looks like. Okay, same exact video that you're gonna get right now. All the free training. It was $400 a month, and then they get you in, and then you have to sign up for other stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna go into that right now, but I just want to show you that this has been around for a while. It's nothing new. Okay, and then this is a month ago. The new members who just signed up are doing a review, and basically what they are doing is, let me stop this video, and they are sending you to a link, invitation again, to sign up for free, so you can go through they give you free training. Okay, so you're not gonna get anything new, really. Pretty much all the same. Okay, pretty much all the same. Okay, same here, same thing there. This guy, for example, I'll just give you, I'm just clicking on these videos
in the update.
Okay, so if I click on his link here, again, same thing. Just want to sign you up, all right, for free. All right, then that will get you in. Let's go straight into here, give you a better view. All right, here we go. Check this out. These are free videos that you can get access to. Okay, of course, each video, the Faceless Content Academy and everything else, Bridge Marketing Academy, Paid Traffic Academy, I mean, they are, I'm going to be fair here, they're good training. You can actually use them for free. But the problem with these trainings, they are like, each video is about 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay, as you can see here, this is like an hour 45 minutes. Then another video here. Those were recorded in 2023, by the way. They're not brand new, just to let you know. Okay, this is an hour and a half, another hour, another hour and a half. These are long videos. Okay, I'm not saying they're bad, I'm saying they're long. Okay, now these are the free training they give you if you want to get access to, check them out, because that's how they get you in. All right, then you get on a live Zoom. They call it Super Zoom. Okay, you get an invitation to that once a week during this launch right now, so they can sign you up for, I think, if I'm not mistaken, like $997, like $1,000, a year. Honestly, a year. All right, that's not gonna stop that. Okay, now if you look here, if I go to Marketplace, okay, first they sign you up for $1,200 a year. Then you have to sign up for the other stuff, which is like here, high level, software, like really funnel I have used in the past a lot. That's another $100 a month. That's another $1,200 actually a year. Now we are up to $1,400 a year. That's how much the cost is going to be just to get in. All right. By giving you access to some free training done last year, and each training takes you about 2 to 3 hours to go through, and then you have to implement what he's teaching or they are teaching. I am not saying they are bad trainings. I mean, Chris Record and his partner, Jeff Long, they've been in this business for a long time. They have made a lot of money doing this kind of things. They can make the money themselves because they have experience and they have the resources. But my experience with this program, when I presented it to my list last year, everybody jumped off after they signed up. like 1 month. The retention rate is very low. And my experience with new people or newbies who just trying to start a business online, because most of the people, most of the members are here, they're newbies. Honestly, they're not like experienced marketers. Like experienced marketers who've done 6 figures, they won't do this one. Okay, they won't do it. I won't do it. Okay, I jumped off because I just want to check it out to see if there is anything really new or fresh. No. And then they changed their business models like 3 times this year. So they keep changing things over and over and over because it's not doing well. That's my opinion. Okay, people are signing up, they are getting bored, and they find out later on, after a month or two, they are paying like this $200 a month or $300 a month, and they are getting stuck into that program and they cannot sell it because they have to do the same thing like everybody else is doing, inviting people to free training. And this is not sustainable. That's number one. Okay, people don't have time to go through free stuff. You can find them on YouTube. It's not like really a secret. You can go to YouTube right now and just type in Faceless Content Academy, boom, and then you can find tons of videos, people showing the same thing. All right, this is not it's not a secret. Paid traffic, you can go on, you can learn that on YouTube for free. But the idea here is to get you into thinking, oh, you're getting a free course, and then they sign you up to $1,200 a year for membership. Last year, I saw a video of Chris. He's actually explaining the whole setup of this business, and he said, we get people in, give them something free, then we get them stuck in for $1,200 a month, then we upsell them. Basically, you're going to get a super link for the internet income system itself. Then you have to sign up for high level here, another program, which is totally, to me, is not, you don't need it, honestly. You just they're just signing up to make the money. All right, so you can resell high level. When you are watching this training and free course, by the way, and you want to implement what they are teaching, you have to sign up for a bunch of other tools and softwares. It's, in my opinion, a trap for a beginner. Okay, and then once you sign up, and you start going through those free courses, and you try to start to implement something, it's gonna take you. I've had this guy contact me last year. He said, Adam, this is too long. I wanna cancel. He said, so I canceled him. And then he said, those videos are very too long. I don't have time to sit like 3 hours to watch a video and then implement another 3-4 hours. So he said, this is not sustainable. I'm stressed out, and I'm getting stuck also with this monthly, recurring, payments. I cannot afford that, like $2,400 a year. And then the list goes on and on, by the way. And that's how they get you. Honestly, that's how they get you. And I'm against this kind of business model. I don't like it, and also you're not getting paid directly. You have, they had issues with the payments, by the way. And this is the reason why I dumped this program, because the programming and the codes keep changing all the time. So it's a lot of newbies. I'm not saying there is something wrong with it, but it's a lot of newbies in this program, by the way, trying to actually resell it. So you can tell from YouTube. They are here. They're not hiding anywhere. Hey, these are the people. These are the new members because they already paid the $1,000 or the $1,200, because they give you a discount if you go with 1,000 up front. I would not do that. Be careful with that. Okay. And then once you're stuck, you have no other choice but going to try to promote it and invite free members. And they have some kind of MLM baked inside that compensation plan right now, and they keep changing compensation plans. So I dumped them immediately, and I'm like, I'm not gonna waste time with this. I don't want to sign people in to something they cannot make money with right away. Okay, that's the new reason why I actually dumped them. So this is like a quick review, my opinion, why I don't like it. And let me be honest with you here, okay? These kind of systems or programs or business opportunities, they are actually built for the owners. They are built in a way so they can get the benefit from it, okay? So they will sign up a few hundreds or thousand people, for example, online, and they will sit there and collect 60% shares out of everyone. in the back end, and they collect more and more and more and more. So if they sign up, like let's say 500 people, and imagine, you can do the math, okay? I'm just saying the reason why they give you some free stuff, not because they love you. I'll tell you that, okay? So 500, they sign up for 500 people times, let's say, just the front end, 1,200. I mean, they have made $600,000. Do you see the math here? Then you have to sign up for high level, through them, and they will get 60% out of that. Okay, I mean, that's over $1 million just like that. Okay, and then if you make money, good for you. If you don't, they don't care. They already got their money. The market, they just coded it, programmed it, launched it, and let the other people do the work for them, so they can leverage them to make them money. Okay, so this is my opinion. It's a trap. I dumped it. Okay, I dumped it. Now here is my opinion as far as what should we do. If you are here watching this right now and you haven't made any money online yet, okay, and then because of you are chasing those different shiny object programs, okay, if let's say I'm starting from scratch, okay, and I want to really launch something very quickly and start making money with it very quickly, and then enjoy it also, okay. Number one, you need to get paid instantly, like into your bank account. Okay, don't let anyone collect money. Don't let any system or program collect money on your behalf, and then you have to wait. Okay, so I would not. This is the reason why I don't touch anything on the on ClickBank products or any offers that if I don't have my merchant account and I collect the money directly from my customer, for example, let's say somebody signed up to work with me directly, my system collect directly. Okay, and then the money goes directly into my bank account, and I don't do any monthly. Okay, this is it. Okay, I don't want to get involved with anybody with monthly recurring shit, because people, in my experience, I'm telling you, the retention rate is very low. They will drop couple months. If you're happy, you sign somebody up, you will see, boom, they canceled next day or next month or next week. Okay, because newbies, there is like a 90% failure rate online because people don't commit. They don't understand that this is a business they have to build. They really have to build the foundation. They have to become good marketers. They don't understand this stuff. They think, what, if I sign up for a program, I'm gonna be making money tomorrow. Or they don't make money in 2 weeks. They will jump off, and they will go to another shiny object. So this keeps going on and on forever, and they lose a lot of money, and they don't make any money. So this is the reason why I don't deal with. I don't push these kind of programs or systems. I don't like them. Okay, so number one, make sure you get paid directly. Okay, that's a must. Number two, at least $400 to $500 upfront. Okay, no refunds. Okay, and you gotta have you better have a very good product behind it, not some like free stuff. Come watch free training for 2 hours and then go ahead and good luck and sign up for all these programs here to become an affiliate with all this, and then keep spending money. No. You're gonna give them a done for you stuff, okay? Like done for you contents, really done for you sales funnel, done for you business in a box. Really ready to go the same day. They can really literally become like the owner of that product, okay? And there is no monthly fees and nothing else to buy every month, okay? Stick to that. I'll tell you that, because people love this. People will do much better. I hope this woke you up a little bit. So make sure every time you see something, think of it this way. Can I collect the money right away to my bank account instead of waiting for 30 days, 60 days to get the money? Or is it going to be cancellations? Going to be like refunds? Think about that, okay? Second, it has to be high ticket right away up front, so you can make money, so you can pay the bills, right? So you're not gonna sit there and wait for people to give you $40 or $100 a month, and then you're gonna struggle a lot when they cancel. No. Okay, that's number two. Number three, it has to be done for you. All the content, everything. And at the same time, you will be learning how to become a professional presenter like this, like I'm doing right now. You learn this. You get this. Listen, you have to become a content marketing pro. Okay, and master within a few weeks. Really, this is what we teach. Get you set up, and we'll give you the content. You don't even have to create the content. But during that process, you'll become master yourself, like after a couple of weeks. I mean, amazing stuff, okay? And then you get to earn high tickets. I mean, I don't want to talk about this program, honestly, that I should show you. Just go ahead. The link is below this video. Check it out. It's free, okay? And at any time you have any question, or you feel like, you know what, I need to contact Adam, I'm here. Listen, I don't care about, signing a bunch of people up for something that I could easily push internet income system and make money with it. Again, here, I am not into, I'm not, I'm in this because I love it. I love helping people. I've been doing this for a long time. You don't see much on the social media, like really pushing other stuff. I just want to be honest, 100%. I want people to succeed, okay? And we got something unlike anything else you've seen ever before. All right? So I hope this gave you some, clarity. I just want to give you clarity on what's going on in this industry. Okay, this industry, when I first started, I got lost in the sea of business opportunities. There is zillions of them out there. Be careful. I told you the 3 rules. Remember those 3 rules. I want to save people a lot of headaches, a lot of money here, from getting stuck into something they are going to struggle with, believe me, and that keep changing and changing and changing. I hope this was valuable. Okay, see you on the other side. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, and then check out the link below this this review. Take care, and I will see you on the other side. Bye bye for now.